In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Walmart promo codes for online shopping, easy guide. First, open your Walmart app. If you've just updated it, give it a second to load the home screen so all the buttons appear. Next, make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for this purchase. Being logged in ensures your saved addresses and payment methods show up at checkout, and it also helps the promo code apply correctly to your order. From the home page, scroll through the categories or use the search bar to find the item you want. Check the product details, such as size, quantity, delivery options, and whether it's sold by Walmart or a marketplace seller, since some promo codes only work on items sold and shipped by Walmart. When you're happy with your selection, tap Add to Cart. If you need multiples, adjust the quantity before moving on. Now open your cart. Here, review everything carefully. Item variations, quantities, and the subtotal. If you see unexpected fees, it may be related to delivery choices or location. When it looks good, tap Continue to Checkout. On the checkout screen, confirm your delivery address or pickup store, and choose your delivery or pickup time if prompted. This is important because certain codes may only apply to delivery, pickup, or orders that meet a minimum amount. Scroll down until you find the section that says Have a promo code. It's usually in the order summary area. Tap it, then type your promo code exactly as provided. Watch for extra spaces and double check any letters and numbers. Many codes are case sensitive and have expiration dates or category restrictions. Tap Apply. If the code is valid for your order, you'll see the discount appear as a new line in your summary and your total will adjust. If you get an error, review the code's terms, confirm your items are eligible, and make sure you've met any minimum spend. You can swap an item or remove something excluded and try Apply again. Once your discount is successfully applied and your totals look right, choose your payment method, review the final details one more time, and tap Place Order. You'll receive an order confirmation and your savings will be listed there as well. That's it. Simple, quick, and budget-friendly. If you plan to use promo codes often, consider keeping them in your Notes app, checking expiration dates before you shop, and reviewing the order summary for changes when you add or remove items. Small tweaks can make a code qualify and save you more.